Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make these Halloween inspired paper clips. And you guys can totally use these for your journals, traveler's notebooks, to hold your place in a book, really whatever. Be creative on what you use. Hey guys, so what we'll need for this DIY are these Halloween foam stickers. These I bought from Michaels. They were regular price $2.99, but I actually used a 60% off coupon. Guys, please, I can't stress this enough. Utilize your coupons. So I don't know if everyone knows, I mentioned this in some of my videos, but just in case you're a new viewer or you missed any of those videos, Michaels now accepts competitors' coupons, and Joann's is the bomb for their coupons are awesome. So Joann's had a coupon where you can get 60% off all stickers or paper embellishments. So I took advantage of that, and I bought actually a couple of packs of stickers, and these foam stickers were included. So I paid less than, I want to say $1 and some change for these stickers. I'm not sure exactly how much, but yeah, $1 and some change, I believe. You guys can totally make these yourself, like with paper, or cut out your own foam, but I don't feel like doing, I didn't feel like doing all that. I want to make this as easy and simple as possible. So what I'm going to be using today are these with the bats. And they come in all these awesome colors. Let's force them out. So there's the green, the orange, and they have the little googly eyes. These would be so simple to make, guys. Like, honestly, all you would need is to layer 2 foam cutout shapes and glue some googly eyes. I could probably totally do that. I just, like, honestly, I just didn't feel like it. I wanted to get something that was already, you know, put together. But you guys can totally recreate these. Okay? So, let's go ahead and lay those there. What I'm also going to be using are these paper clips by Jot. Now, I bought these in the summertime. I'm not sure if they still have them, but always check, guys, their school supplies set area. They'll have these, and these were like their I don't know, they're like neon colors, but they work perfectly for Halloween colors. Okay, so what you can do is kind of match them up. You can do them the same. You can switch it up and do like different colors, like the purple with the orange or what have you. Let me see how I want to do these. Do I want to mix them up, or do I want to match them perfectly? Let's mix them up. Alright, so we'll do opposite colors. I think that'll look really cute. So we got our paper clips, we got our foam stickers. I'm going to use some punches. I have this, I don't remember the size. I want to say it's like 3/8 of an inch punch. And I just punched out a couple of circles. And we're going to be using these to conceal the paper clip on the back. Okay, guys? And you can use any color you like. You can coordinate if you like, but I just want to use white because it does have the sticker, the white sticker back here, and I'm not going to be taking this out. So there's that. And then just a glue gun. So this is so simple, guys. It's probably like self-explanatory, but we're just going to put some glue down. And we're going to make sure that the part that attaches, the round part here, the double part, is at the bottom. So we're just going to attach that. And while that's drying, while it's still hot, I'm going to stick the white, my background, to conceal it. And we're just going to hold that down. And there you have it. These would be so adorable for your planners. If you guys have like pen pals. Once again, we're just going to put a nice amount of glue. Add our paper clip with a double rounded side facing down. And while that's hot, put our glue gun, or our circle dot to conceal. And let's do the purple with the green. And just press down our white. And that is it, guys. Those are our 3 bat paper clips. All right, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you comment below.